AI can target customers down to specific neighborhoods. But are you ready for the opportunities and the risks? We outline both opportunities and challenges in AI-powered local search for repair businesses. On the opportunity side, AI enables hyperlocal targeting and advertising by analyzing real-time location data, allowing shops to tailor promotions and offers to nearby customers. That can improve engagement significantly. Privacy and data security concerns, since AI relies heavily on user data. It highlights the importance of strong data protection practices and following regulations like GDPR. Another challenge is adapting to automated recommendations. As AI systems generate suggestions based on relevance and quality, shops must continuously fine-tune rich content and accurate business details to stay competitive. The message is balanced. AI creates major growth potential, but only for shops that manage the strategy responsibly.